I'm going to show you how to do the Tell Me a Story activity using the Oakland Reads site. So just as a reminder, you can always change the language on the website by clicking up here and change it to any of these languages: Arabic, Spanish, Khmer, Vietnamese, or Chinese. On the phone or tablet, you'll go to Menu to do that. So once I've done that, I'm going to go over here to Reading with Children and click on it, and then click on Storytime Videos. And I'll scroll down. This page has links to many different sites with hundreds of videos of people doing read aloud, sometimes authors or illustrators or just people who are educators or who love reading books. So I'm going to go to Tandem Bay Area Multilingual Storytime because it has great ones in lots of different languages. So we'll scroll down and look at the bookshelf. And as you can tell, there's lots of books. You can select your language up here. So they have them in English, Spanish, and Chinese. You can also select like what age you'd like. So I'm going to click on Los Deseos de Carmela, Carmela's Wishes. And when I open that up, there's activity guides that I could go back to later, but what I would do is click on one of these and start a story time. So here's the English, Spanish, and Chinese, Cantonese. So I'd play this. I can make it bigger. So let's go back to Oakland Reads. You can also go back to any of these and find lots more stories to read. Once you've done that, once you've watched one of the read alouds with your child, then you can ask them some of the questions that are from the Tell Me a Story activity. So let's go and look at some of those questions. You can ask them, tell me about the beginning, some of these questions about the beginning, the setting, and the characters. Does the story have a mood? Ask them to tell you about the middle of the story. Ask them to tell you about the end of the story, whether the challenge was resolved, if the character learned a lesson. And then here's all more questions that you can ask for kinder and first graders or for second and third graders. Happy reading!